is, Lamblamb. The old beauty bike.
Wow, this bike looks beautiful. It's got good brake bars and, ooh, the pedals look nice too.
Alright, Lamblamb, now let's see. All I have to do is unlock the bike. There.
You have a bike light? Bike light?
You mean a bike lock? Yes, I do. Just so nobody in this place steals my bike. You wouldn't want that, would you? Alright. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is feeling some damage from the rain. That's weird. Alright, Lamblamb, let's go riding. Okay, Lamblamb, are you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Then let's hit the road. Oh, whoa, whoa, ouch, ouch. Whew. Well, that definitely hurt. All right, let's get going. Ooh, all right, we'll take a right turn there. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, Lamblamb, look, there's the moon.
Where? I don't see it.
Oh, it's in the trees now.
Oh, I see it. Wow.
Yeah. Whoa! Holy goodness, this is going fast! Whoa!
Sal! Look out! Or you're gonna hit the...
2 hours later.
Oh, great. The bike's broken. Now what do we do, Sal?
Alright. Don't worry, my little rabbit counterpart. We will just have to simply take it to the side and repair it. Whew. Never knew a bike could be so heavy. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, Lamblamb. Bike is on its back. Now, what is the first thing that we may need to check for?
Maybe we should check for how fast it goes.
Great idea, Lamblamb. Let's turn this over. Inside. Oh, guess I can't sit. All right, now, it is time to test how fast the motor goes. Oh my God! So fast. Oh, look at that thing go! What's the next thing we need to test, Lamblamb?
It's skid mark durability.
Not good at making skits. That's good. So what is the problem with this bike? Aha! Look, the brake pipe, it's on wrong. Okay, maybe maybe turn it this way, and then maybe... Oh, I don't know, Lamblamb. How will this end? Get back to its normal. It is. So that's not the right way. Oh, wait. This is the trick. Aha! Yes! Now, let's see this thing in brake action. Oh, yeah. I can't stop! Whoa! Oh. No.
Huh. Do the brakes work, Sal?
Nope, they're still broken. That was a lot of work.
Sal, I'm sorry your brakes don't work.
That's all right, Lamblamb. The important thing is that the bike can still move. And if the bike can still move, we can still get back to the arcade where we can find a cure for the brake problem. I'm sorry, a cure for the brake problem? Yep. I happen to have some oil fuel in my garage. In my closet, I mean. And if we use enough of it, we can cure our bike in no time.
Hey, Sal, what's going on?
Oh, hey, Bob. Oh, sorry, Lemon.
That's okay.
Our bike broke down. Oh, no. But I happen to have some spare oil gas, whatever it is, in my closet. I just gotta go get it. Oh. Aha! Here it is, the oil gas. It's made with purple paint, water, lotion, soap, and most importantly, propane aluminum.
Propane aluminum? That tool has yet to be discovered.
See? I am a bit of a scientist. However you say it. Alright, we have a bike to fix. Good luck, Sal! Thanks, Jody! Okay.
I can't believe you were able to discover that new element.
Now, Lamblamb, I do happen to know a thing or two about science. Alright, what's here? Oh! Okay, now, the question is, where do I pour the oil? Let's see.
It should be in the gas tank.
Lamblamb, that's ridiculous. Come on, really think. Where could it be?
Sal, I'm telling you, it's gotta be the gas tank.
No, that's ridiculous. Oh, I know. Let's try the gas tank.
That's literally what I just said.
I know, and it's a perfect idea. Okay, let's see. Who's got it? I wonder what this stuff smells like. No smell. There we go. That should be enough.
Alright, Sal. Test the brake durability.
Got it. Oh! It works!
Excellent.
Ugh. Ugh. Okay, Lamblamb, hop on. We got a bike to test.
All right, we're going pretty fast.
And we can go faster. Now, where's that button for unlimited speed? I can't seem to find it. Aha! There it is. Whoa! 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 Hey, not bad for unlimited speed.
Warning, the system will crash. We recommend you engage your emergency brake.
System will crash. Whoa, whoa.
Sal! Look! Oh no! The bike's gonna crash soon. What do we do?
Whoa. I'll tell you what we do, Lamblamb. We make a right.
Sal! Stop the engine!
I don't know, Lamblamb. We're going too fast to slow down.
Well, Sal, if we don't get out of this alive, I just want to tell you that you've been the best stepdad ever.
Oh, don't worry, Lamblamb. Because if there's one thing you should take away from this 7 to 10 minute video, is that you should never give up. Ugh.
Are we done?
Lamblamb, I am very happy to say that we have survived a bike crash today. Yeah!
Yeah! Woohoo! All right!
All right, come on, Lamblamb. Let's have a non-dangerous bike ride home.
Back to the arcade?
Sure. Yeah. And while we're at it, we can play some claw game.
I'm gonna beat your record in our throwing game.
Yeah, right. The heck you will. Come on, let's get back to the arcade. Yeah.
Speed is now activated.